Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm going to Tesco's. I've heard that all the gardening stuff is reduced to clearing the way for them to put the back to school stuff out. So I'm going to take a look, see what gardening stuff is in Tesco's. So let's take a look and see. So Tesco's got a garden sale on now. Table and chairs selling at 105. 4 chairs and a table and an umbrella. You've got the bistro table, just a table on its own, for £13. That's a good deal, £13. Barbecue, 4 burner deluxe, fire pit, now £100. Fire pit barbecue deluxe. You've got the Flymo hover vac, 250, electric hover. These are now selling at £62. That's a good price for Flymo. We've got the Black & Decker cordless strimmer, £65. We've got the 2.4 metre gazebo. These are looking quite handy for this hot weather. Reduced to £25. That's a good deal. We've also got these 1.8 parasols. These reduced to £16. We've got this table and chair bistro set. That's looking absolutely lovely. That's reduced to £80. That's a lovely set. Didn't see any in stock, so that's the last. Outdoor rugs. Well, Lady likes an outdoor rug. This is £8, £9.50 for the outdoor rug. We've got this Blackstone tabletop stove thing, £115 reduced. And then more of the barbecues. They're looking really good. Nice to get a barbecue in while this weather's hot. We've got a spade, and we've also got a fork. That's a good deal. Nice thin narrow spade, and they're both £18. There's also something else, but it's not in the box. Another barbecue. That's a 4 burner barbecue. That's looking really cool, and that is £80. Really nice. Good time for a barbecue. And we got seeds. All the seeds now 50% off. Few seeds still hanging in there. 50% off. All the seeds, the unwin seeds. Still got some carrots and some radishes, some barbecue bits, all reduced. Get them clear. £3 for some tongs and the tool set. Also some cleaning products and the barbecue set. We've got some more pots here. Don't know how much these pots are. They look nice. None of those crutches match those pots. We've got some football related gnomes. They're looking really cool. Can't see the price for those. Got the Dachshund and the Cockapoo. They're cool, £9. And we've got a spray bottle. We've also got the hose pipe, portable hose pipe reel, 10 meters, £15. And then the wall mounted one, £33. They're looking really good. We've got some more gloves, some more tools. They're £2.25. And then these nice pots, cream pots, £3. Some more pots here, £2.45 and £1.40. Looking really good. And this solar rattan pendant style light. Those gnomes are great for the football. Club card price. And Wallison tools, £5 for a set of strimmers. Tape measure, £6. And more tools and accessories. A brush, £3. So they're clearing all the stock. So fungus fighter, £5.40. We've got fast acting weed killers, £6. And another one fast weeding wood killer, £3. We've got some Miracle Grow Pour and Feed, reduced to clear, £3. And also the All Purpose, £3.40, along with Rose and Shrubs. Fertilizer, £3. And then we've also got weed killers, various ones, £4.50 for Resolver, Extra Tough, Roundup, £4.50. And then we've got the Seaweed Tonic from Levington's, £4.50. Need to get some of that. Chicken pellets, £3.75. And also bone meal, £3.75. Along with the rose feed, £3.40, top rose. Rose and shrub food, £3.40, reduced from £4.50. And then fast green lawn food. All these reduced to clear. Baby bios, £2, £2.25. And house plants, £3.75, £3.45, and a box of them reduced to 90p. Smart lawn feed, £8.45. And then lawn care, 4-in-1, £4.50, reduced to clear. Clearing all the way for the back to school outfit. Multi-purpose grass seed, £3.40 instead of £4.50. Lawn thickener, safe natural lawn, child pet friendly feed, £7.40. And all-in-one lawn feed and moss killer, £7. Complete lawn treatment, £10 for a big bag. There we go, Miracle Grow, £10.50. We've also got watering cans, reduced to £1.50, 1 litre, and then the bigger watering cans. This is a good price, £2.65, reduced to clear. Pots, lots of pots, £1.50, £1, stock up on those plant pots. And then all your hose pipe attachments, from £1.75p, £2, all the hose adapters, they're pretty much selling fast. And a spray bottle for £1. Snips for £2.45, and hose and shovels, and wire 75p, and these weeding tools, all for £2. And gloves, £2.40, and all these other little tools, £1 for the weeder, £3.45 for the snips. That's a good old price. Shears, grass shears, £3, and expendable handles, £13. Some good prices there too. Solar lights, £6, £3, all different lights. We're going to clear these now. Lights on the string, £3.45, and these solar lights, £4.50. Lots to go, lots of them to show. More lights, rock lights, £3, and these ones £7.50, reduced to clear. So I've got to clear it all away now, I guess, for the school, back to school stuff. And then it'll be the Christmas stuff. Won't be that long away. Some more solar lights. All good stuff. So there we go. We've got these terracotta pots. These are looking good. £1.50. And then the plastic pots next to door. And then the saucers. These big planters. They're looking really good. And this blue pot for £4.60. Some more lights. There we go. That's a good selection. All to clear, reduced to clear stuff. So what would you choose out of all this lot?